Thank you so much for spending time with me. Happy Friday. Welcome to Just Cook DC Bar. It's Friday. We make a cocktail. Coffee. Check. Kahlua. Check. Orange liqueur. Check. Whipping cream. Check. I have heavy whipping cream. We're gonna make our own whipping cream. Glass. Check. Let's make this drink. First things first, I'm gonna make some whipped cream. For this cocktail, you're gonna need about 2 tablespoons. So I'm not gonna put too much. So get my thingy going and whip this up into a cream. Alright, I got my homemade whipping cream there. Alright, let's get my glass ready. We're gonna do 1 ounce of Kahlua. Right in the glass. This is for the coffee lovers. You can ice this if you want to. I'm not gonna ice it. It's just gonna be just like that. 1 ounce of orange liqueur. I'm using Cointreau. That should do it. Earlier on, I made some coffee in my balletti thingy. So just mix that a little bit. Just give it a shake. We're gonna fill it with 8 ounces of coffee. It's pretty much one small can. Boom. Gonna give that a mix. Like I said, you can put ice in it if you want to. I'm not. Then we're gonna top it up with 2 tablespoons of whipped cream. Pretty. Oh, smells good. And then for the garnish, I'm just gonna use coffee beans. Put some shaved chocolate in there, make it sexy, make it beautiful, but I'm gonna leave it like that. And here we have, woo, French press Kahlua orange liqueur. Let's try this. If you like coffee, that's your drink. Thank you for spending time with me. Subscribe, like, share. Have a great weekend.